To talk to us, we have with us former Chief Election Commissioner of India, S.Y. Qureshi. Sir, welcome to ETV Bharat. My first question to you, what do you make of these elections coming up? People are calling it the WhatsApp election. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, of course, the social media is playing an increasing role since 2014. In fact, the first social media election was 2014. And BJP was an expert in using it, and after that, every party started following suit. They have all started using social media increasingly, including WhatsApp. WhatsApp is just one of the various social media.
So, as BJP has been known to setting up cyber warriors, as they call it, in various polling booths, every polling booth in UP is going to have two of those cyber warriors. Do you think, as a former Chief Election Commissioner, do you think it's a nice trend that that's happening?
No, it is a perfectly legitimate democratic activity because this is the technology. The political parties have their field workers and they use everything possible which is available to them. Social media technology is now available, so everybody is using it, and why should they not? Only thing is the negative content, the hate speech, that has to be controlled. In any case, because that will do a lot of damage to India's democracy.
Sir, so for the new election commission which will be overseeing this election, and your time the Varun Gandhi case happened, and how did you deal with it, and what would your suggestions be for this election commission to deal with any such cases that might occur?
I think the same thing, because whenever we see any violation, if the election is happening under the Model Code of Conduct, the Election Commission issues a notice, and if it is a violation of any other law of the land, FIR is also simultaneously registered, but the FIR takes its own legal course and it also goes out of the domain of the Election Commission, that it goes into the judicial domain. So it goes on for some time, and that is the difference. But under the model code, we immediately issue a notice. It is more like a fire brigade, or like an umpire which has to declare a no ball, so that the next ball is a good ball. Whereas if it was to be decided by the judicial process, Sachin Tendulkar becoming LBW, you will get to know after 10 years. So that is the difference between election commission using model code and the laws of the land operating in their own time.
And so one final question to you, as the former Chief Election Commissioner who has seen the system, do you think Indian voter is smart enough to understand what to look up on social media and what not?
Well, that's a difficult question to answer. When we have no answer, we always say Indian voter is very smart. When we feel helpless, we can't do anything, we try to hide behind the smartness of the Indian voter. But the fact is that the mind can be influenced. The fact that in the Indian Penal Code we have a section 171C about undue influence. How do you undue influence? Through using media, using right or wrong arguments. The entire marketing is to influence. Now, influence positively and influence negatively, that is the difference. Therefore, I think leaving everything to the smartness of the Indian voter is escapism. I think that is hiding behind a cover.
Thank you so much for talking to us. This is Hans Singh Rajput for ETV Bharat.